Hello first graders and welcome back to your reading job for today. Today our target reading skill is I can compare and contrast the adventures and experiences of characters. Now boys and girls, when we compare and contrast two things, we tell how they are the same and how they are different. Also, we see another million-dollar word here, boys and girls, and that is characters. What are characters? The characters are the people and the animals in your story. This week we took a look at two stories. That have some characters that are similar. So, boys and girls, when we compare and contrast, we can make connections. Do it with me, boys and girls. Connections. And these connections can be between a couple of different things. The first type of connection that we can make while we're reading is a text to self. Do it with me, boys and girls. Text to self. And what this kind of connection is it makes you think of something in the story that happened to you. So, have you ever been reading and gone, this reminds me of a time that That was a text to self connection, boys and girls. Something in the book reminded you of your own life. Or TTS, text to self. Our next type of connection is a text to world connection. Do it with me, boys and girls. Text to world, or TTW. And this type of connection is a connection that reminds you of something that happens in the world. How is something in the story that you're reading like something in the world that you know about? All right. Our last type of connection, first graders, is a text to text. Do it with me. Text to text, or TTT. And what this means, boys and girls, is that when you're reading a book, it reminds you of another story that you have read. How is one story like another story? You may think, this reminds me of a book maybe that you've read before. Alrighty, boys and girls, today we are going to practice making these types of connections. Text to self, text to world, and text to text connections using our two stories from this week, Jack and the Wolf and the Three Little Pigs. In your interactive notebook, boys and girls, you are going to do an activity that looks like this. An activity that looks like this. You're going to cut out and make the pockets. We have text to self connections, text to world connections, and text to text connections. You're going to look at our story this week to make these connections. For example, you may write sentences or draw pictures. For example, the first one says text to self. I wrote a sentence. I like to trick my friends sometimes. This is a text to self connection because in our story, Jack tricks the people from the town. So that is one example. Another example for text to world, I drew a picture of a zoo because I know that wolves sometimes live in zoos like this. And there were wolves in both of our stories. So that is a text to world connection, boys and girls. And finally, when you make text to text connections, look at our two stories, the Three Little Pigs and Jack and the Wolf. All right, you are going to make two connections for each pocket. You may write a sentence or draw a picture. It is your choice. All right, happy reading, first graders, and I'll see you next time.